Oh, all right. So Treasure is learning what?
She's still
learning Scratch.
She also moved to HTML. HTML.
But and she has finished the last coding of Scratch.
Yeah.
So she's going to move to H. Treasure has moved to
So
HTML.
So you're going to move to
HTML and
Timo.
okay.
You're gonna make mistake.
You say the one that is saying Chimo.
Yes.
She doesn't. Does she think HTML and JavaScript are difficult?
She's taking JavaScript.
Does she think that they are?
No, she's taking the JavaScript. All the whole school in our class, even though they are playgroup, they're still taking JavaScript.
But playgroup are not involved. So it's only from grade 2.
From grade 1.
Grade 1, no, grade 2.
Grade 1. Grade 1 are doing JavaScript.
Okay, grade 1 to primary 5.
Primary 1 to primary 5. You go and help me to read my book. Which book? The book for lesson. Okay. Don't eat that.
You don't have your book with you.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me find out who did my homework and who didn't.
I did your homework.
I need your homework.
Wait and wait. Did it? Okay. So don't worry, I'm going to figure out who actually took their time to study all that we learned in the last class. You know that those kind of questions will come up again very, very soon. So it's just a matter of time.
Our principal talked to us yesterday that we're going to write our mock on March. Mock exam.
March, okay. You have less than 2 months to prepare for it, right?
Yes, sir.
And sir said, he said that if we win in writing our mock, we have to go and complete with the one.
They said that they are going. They said that
person that wrote mock in the
and they said
entire Lagos State,
and they said that they're going to give that person
scholarship. And I want to get scholarship.
Okay, that's so you can see that it's there's a prize to go for. There's a prize, something that you should look forward to. Beyond that prize, I want you to motivate yourself. What that means is that I want you to be hardworking yourself. Don't wait until somebody tells you read your book, study, practice. Okay, but if it were possible, like you had some time in your homework, okay, homework time, your homework and class, you would find that you can even practice some common entrance questions yourself.
Okay, sir. Yes, I also should do
Those are that will show that you are motivated yourself. You don't need to with that child or for your teacher to talk to you. Okay.
So please just
So Treasure,
Yes.
we will start our own coding class, but not now. So give faith and favor some time. As soon as they're done, I'll let you know. Yeah.
Sit down. Don't make any noise.
I just say, yeah. This is almost done.
Come. Sit down here.
Okay. All right. We'll wait for her.
Okay.
Sir.
Sir. She's coming back. She's coming back.
Yeah.
She's coming back.
Faith, be fast now.
All right.
Just remaining this page at the back. This is what is remaining. This is what is remaining.
Chimo.
Yes, you better go and look for old book.
Go to. Wait, can you just put the book down now? We're not doing. Just calm down. We want to go into math. Let's see if we can finish.
Oh, it
We're
does
not
not.
doing it now. Just let's finish up math first. Then we'll now our time arrangement and let you know. We can do coding maybe in like an hour. So after math. Okay. So do you remember what number we stopped at?
Yes, sir.
Who can remember what number we
Number 14.
stopped at? Number
14.
number. Okay, so we're doing number 15 next, right?
Yes, sir.
There is number 15.
Can you see my screen?
Yes,
No,
sir. No, it's coming up. It's yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Come look for your good.
So let's look.
Come look for your good.
I was looking for you.
17th January 2006.
Okay, so number 15 says, what is the average? Okay, I want you to remember, let's take note of questions like this. What is the average of 2, 2, 8, and 12? Now, do you know why I said the comma? The reason why I was saying comma is because 2 happened to occur twice. Okay, normally we don't need to be saying comma as we're listing out numbers. Should I just say what's the average of 2, 8, and 12? But you know, when you say it like that, some people may mistake it for other things. So that's why I put the comma. But you understand what I'm saying, right?
Yes, sir. So, sir, the numbers you called out were 2.
Hello, I can't hear any.
So I said the numbers you called
Yes.
out were 2, 3, and 12. Give my red pen.
Did I say 3? I said 8. So 8 I said though. I didn't say 3.
Oh, there we go.
Okay. All right. Can tell us, who can remind us how we find average?
How we find
Favor, how do we find average?
average is like also mode. It's another name for mode. Give me this pen.
No.
Give my pen now.
That's number 1. You are wrong today. Another name for average is what? If you want us to go to that direction. What's another name for average? Faith.
Sir, the other name for average.
Faith, please make sure that you don't
mean.
your
The other name for average
writing material, please.
Average means mean. Mean.
Thank you very much. It's mean. But please take note. It's mean, not mode. Now, to find the average, we will simply do what? How do we calculate it? Who can tell me? How do we find it? Yes, Favor. Remember.
So people is moving the camera to herself.
Remember. Don't worry, I can see both of you. It's fine like this. Don't speak again. Favor, how do we find average? What is the process for calculating average? Quickly. What's the first thing we do?
Mean.
This thing should not be difficult, though. Quickly.
Look.
What is the first thing we do? Hold on, Faith.
What
Hold
is
on.
in
Let
the
me hear from
middle?
Favor. Yes.
2 and 8
With-
is in the middle of 2 and 12.
Now, Favor,
Sir?
you heard me saying, how do we calculate average? That thing should tell you something, that we're not just looking for the middle. We're not just looking for something in the middle. Middle is median. Okay? Please, this thing is very, very simple. Oh. Let's not mix it up. And that's why I give you notes, so that you go back and read the note. So the note is not just for copying it and, you have bragging rights. No. If you don't read that note, then you are making it look as if our class is not important to you. If this class is important to you, after I read it on the same day of the class, it's kind of disappointing when you give me wrong answers when I'm expecting right answer. So can you now correct yourself? How do we calculate average?
Sir, if we want to calculate average, we look for the two that are the middle,
Favor,
so we plus them.
Or you want to help you out?
Sir,
yes. Favor, do you want to still try or you want to help you?
Sure.
Are you sure about that? Okay. Now, Favor, let me just correct you now. Okay, but please don't make this mistake again. And you are forgiven. Don't worry. People will get that mathematician title after the class, but that will be after the class, right? What you now? It's a correction. I'm not answering the question, Faith. So don't think I'm answering the question yet. Favor, the thing that you are telling me that 2 and 8 are in the middle, it's not for mean, it's for median. You can even hear the name, median. Look at it. How do you spell median? Is it not MED? And you see that MED sounds like MID, right?
Yes, sir.
Favor, do you agree with me that median sounds like middle?
Yes, sir.
That should be a clue for you. So that next time you will not say mean is median. No, it sounds like I. Okay, so that's why median should remind you of what? Middle. Can you write it in your book, please, so that you don't make that mistake that you just made again after the Please write it in sheet to write now. Write it in your book. Median means it stands for middle. Okay. So I know what you wanted to do. You wanted to say the two numbers in the middle. You add them and divide by 2. That would have been correct. But the question does not need median. The question needs what? Mean or average. Now, Faith, do you have an idea what the average is? How to calculate average? Do you have an idea? It's a very simple concept. Please take note that what is in this box is not what we're talking about. But this is just for your notes. Just write it somewhere and put it in a box. All right. Who is going to tell me what average really is? Quickly. We don't have time.
Huh?
If you don't know, just say that you don't know so that we move on. You don't have any idea. Let's move on.
So you said that I should calculate the distance for I should calculate I should say the
average.
So we will look for
how do we get the average?
We look for two numbers that are the same, that like two are two twos, so we have to pick one.
Okay, there we go. That is still not correct. Please just watch me, and then I am begging you. After today, this should be the last time I'm correcting you on average on me. I'm begging you. Average is the simplest thing you can calculate. The simplest. How do you do it? You you add the numbers involved first. That's the first thing you do. You add them up. And then after you add them up, you divide them by what? The number of items. So you count 1, 2, 3, and what? 4. Did you see that?
Yes, sir.
So please, can you see how simple it is? Did I say that? No. 2 steps. Add, divide, period. They're not simple. In fact, the addition, you can do it in your head. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 12, 4. 24 divided by 4, 6. You have gotten the answer without writing a single thing. Can you see how easy average is? Please, write it in your book. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12. When I was explaining, what happened?
Everyone was writing something and you said I should write the median and middle. That's not about that one. No, when we're still explaining that. No, I know
Go ahead
that
and write.
people was still using a pencil to write on the table. Jimo.
She was writing on the table.
Yes, sir.
Is that true, Favor? How are you writing on the table? Your book is not enough for you to write again.
It's not writing on the table.
Please don't write on the table. No, that thing is not. It's not going to be nice. You have visitors, and then somebody is seeing what Favor wrote on the table. Or do you want that?
They're not right on the table. Hey, picture, stop lying. Not lying. Thank you, I think.
All right. Can we go to number 6? That's number 6. Very easy. Can we go to number 16?
Sorry. No, sorry.
Hello.
Yes.
Can we go to number 6?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good. Let's go to number 16. Number 16 says express 3 over 4 at a decimal. Now I'm sure you people can do this one. This one you will enjoy doing it. All right, so who is going to answer this one for us? Yes.
You say number 16. Number 16.
Yes.
Can you read the question again? I did not hear you. Sit. What's writing on your book when he did not say he should write?
4 or 3/4 at the decimal. Who can answer it? Yes. I'm waiting.
We'll do 4 in 3 is 0.
Yes, so go ahead now. Go ahead, Favor.
4 in 3 is 0. You carry 4 in 3 equals to 0. Then you put 0 in 3. 4 in 30.
Yes.
That will be 7. 7. You write 7. Then you write. Then there will be remainder 2. Remainder 2. I wanted to say remainder 2. Favor not say remainder.
Okay, thank you. Correct. Because 4 times 7 is what? 28, right?
Yes, sir.
That's how we got the remainder 2, isn't it? And we said 30 minus 28, which is what? 2, but we're not done. No. You know that we're not done. Or you have finished it up. What do you do next?
You do 2. You add, put that 2 beside the 3. And then that is 32. So 32, 4 in 32, that is 8. That will be 0.8.
Where did it from? That's disappointing. Where did you get 32 from? Please don't make that mistake. Whether in class or anywhere outside.
The answer.
Did you not? Are you not the one that added 0 beside 3? When you said 4 into 30 is 7. Is that not what you did?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So do the same thing with the remainder 2. Put a 0. See, let me show you. Let me put an arrow there. You added the 0 there. The same thing you did to that 3. Add a 0. Add it. So 4 in 20 is 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Do you understand now?
Yes, sir. Sir,
and 20 minus 20. Can I please do what?
I wanted to say the answer. I was asking that I wanted to say the answer, but you have already said it.
Okay. All right. Okay. I didn't hear you. I think the internet is kind of a bit acting up today, but we manage it. At least I've not gone off from the class today. Okay, so you can go ahead and write it down in your book.
Thank you, sir.
So you can boldly say that, therefore, 3/4 equal to 0.75. Now, don't worry, you people will come to the point where you remember some of these things without anybody even telling you to calculate it. For instance, I'm sure you already know that half 1/2 is the same thing as 0.5, right? It's the same way you got this 0.75 that you get that 0.5. Exactly the same way. But then when you calculate it so long and your mind is just like half 0.5, you already know it. So by the time you now get used to this one, anybody that tells you 3/4, in your mind, you're already saying 0.75. Okay. Favor, you're not writing. Are you done?
No.
How about you, Faith?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good.
Give me.
No, sir. I'm not done.
Tomorrow I'll do the class with you. So how should we do? Since I'm coming because you're no, not true. My number 17 now.
Okay, number 17. Wait, don't be distracted though. Number 17 says
what is the simple interest?
Yes, what is the simple interest? Yes, another interesting question. Let's see if people remember the formula. Do you remember simple interest?
I remember simple interest.
Yes, at 6% per annum. Okay. So let's see. Can anybody remember?
So what is
Can anybody remember?
So what is annum?
Annum is year. So when you say per means one. Annum is year. So when you say per annum, you're saying 1 year per year. Okay? 1 year. Yes. So that's what per annum means. Okay. So anybody,
So we do what?
don't worry, people are still my math.
The simple interest is on 20 naira for 5 years at 6% per annum.
Yes. Yes, I agree. But what is it? We don't know the formula. We cannot calculate it. What is the formula for I? Simple interest. I equals what?
I equals to I equals to y times
No.
no.
T.
Remove it. I equals to 20 naira.
I equals to 20 naira there. Tell me the formula before you start giving me 20 naira there. What is the formula? I equals what times what times what?
I equals to 20 times 5 times 6.
Oh, good. Faith, don't you understand what I'm saying? When somebody asks you for a formula, the person is not asking you. The person is not asking you to tell them values from the question. No, that one comes next. The first thing they want to see is, do you even know how to go about calculating it? So please, next time I ask you, like, this is what you give me. Is that okay? Don't write it down yet, though. We're not done. So this is the formula for interest. So now we're ready to calculate it. Oh, yeah. Start giving me the value since that's what you are interested in doing. I equals to what?
I equals
Yes.
so you do not add your years to it to your first calculation.
How do you know? What do you think T means? What do you think T means? T is the time now. T is the number of years. You don't know. Don't tell me that you don't know that one.
I know
T is the number of R is the rate. So why are you saying I did not add my number of years? It's there. Please,
so
please
20 times 5 times 6.
Times 5 times 6. Are you sure about that? Yes,
20
correct.
times
Thank
5.
you very much. 5 times 6. Thank you. You're correct. Over what?
Over 100.
Over what? Who can tell me?
Over 100. Over 1,000.
Thank you very much. Over 100. Okay, so where did you get 1,000 from again? Who is saying 1,000 there?
Favor.
Did you not see this 100 here? Favor.
So Favor is still distracted, even though she did not know.
Favor. Oh yeah, I'm commanding you to bring your mind back. Okay? Are you with us now?
Yes, sir.
Favor, are you back with us now?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you see both of us?
Hello? I can't see Favor. Favor, I need to see you. Yes, I'm waiting. I can't see Favor.
Sir, I already know the answer.
That is the attitude I don't like. I already know the answer. Calm down. We've not even done anything. You already know the answer. Cool down. Now, favor. This thing is 100. The formula says 100. You can't change a formula, for goodness sake. Formulas are not meant to be changed. They are meant to be followed. Is that okay, favor?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, favor. And now, favor, don't allow that to affect you. For goodness sake, everybody makes mistakes. Okay? If Faith makes a mistake, I'll call her out. All right? If I make a mistake, you guys usually correct me. So there's no big deal about it. So don't allow that to change your mood for the rest of the class. If not, you just pass through the class and you won't enjoy it. That would be not a good way to spend your time. Okay? So cheer up, please. Don't allow it to affect you. All right. So, Favor, can you help us cancel things out? What can cancel out here?
0 cancel itself.
Yes, 0 will cancel itself. One of the zeros in 100 will take out one of the zeros in 20. What next?
5 cancel itself. 5 cancel 10.
Okay, 5 will cancel 10. So 5 in itself, 1, and 5 in 10, 2. Next,
We are going to cancel 6.
it's what? With 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can say 2 in itself, 1. All right, and 2 in 6 is what? 3. So now, what's the final this thing now? What is left? 2 times 1 times 3, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And 2 times 1 times 3 is what?
60.
Huh?
6.
6. Thank you. Please, not 60, but 6. All right. So you can go ahead and write it down.
No, I want to pull me down.
Faith.
People pushed me.
Faith, are you there?
Yes, sir. People push me.
Sorry.
Because of
Okay,
she's
okay,
in
okay.
the
Don't make
she's
a
in
big deal out
the
of it.
she's very angry. When she's angry, I usually tell her so you should not answer me.
Sorry about
And
that.
because of
Okay.
I've been
So
telling her.
was our answer the same as your answer?
Our answer was 6 naira.
6 naira. Okay, 6 naira. Are you sure? Yeah, it's 6 naira. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Thank you. So the mistake is from me. It's 6 naira, not 6%. So let's correct that. Okay.
So Faith is whistling. What she says she's not the one.
Wait, why are you whistling? Hmm?
I just like to whistle.
You said no singing in class. Anything that will distract you, you avoid it. So why are you doing that?
I'm not singing. You're whistling. Whistling is not singing.
So
Does not
who was
compare.
whistling now? Who was whistling?
Faith.
Wait, don't expect it.
So are we going to do normal class that
Can
we're
we go
going
to number 18 now?
So are we going to do normal class that we use 2 hours?
But we're going to take a break today. Don't worry about that. We'll take a break today.
Hey.
Can I go to number 18 now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. All right. Number 18 says, which of this one is not even a calculation question, which makes it interesting, but it doesn't mean you should not think. It needs you to think. Which of the following is the longest part of a circle? I need you to think about this thing very well. The longest part of a circle. Now, if you are not sure, this is what I would have done if I'm not sure. I will look at each of them. Let's start with A. A, circumference. Now, what is circumference? Who can tell me? What is circumference?
Circumference is the whole circle.
The distance around, thank you. The whole circle, right? The distance around the circle. Now, keep that one. What is the diameter?
Diameter is like
half of a circle.
Half of a circle per se. I think you change your definition. Say it in another way. Correct yourself.
No. So can I see? I want to annotate, sir. Comment.
Don't annotate. Say it. Don't annotate. I know what I'm asking you.
No, it's like radius. No, like radius.
Calm down. Calm down. I hear you. Just calm down. Let me tell you why I don't want you to annotate. Let's tell you why. Let's pretend you are in the midst of your friends, and people are talking about circles, right? And this question came up. Which of the following is the longest part of a circle? Will you start telling your friends, let me annotate? You are in class, so will you start telling them, let me annotate? Or let's say you are even outside, people are just discussing. There will be no place to annotate. So if you cannot talk to them in English, properly explain yourself, will it not be bad? So now that's what I want you to do. What is the diameter? Yes, Favor, do you want to try?
The diameter is Fit, are you Fit? Fit, are you Favor? Your name has changed to Favor.
I hope you are not checking. So if anybody is checking Google, that is wrong. Right now, I expect you to be able to say something from what you know, not from what Google tells you.
So can I say something? People you know talking smart.
Yes.
Wait, calm down.
Diameter is almost like the radius.
It's almost like the radius. Okay, let me keep that. If I'm to give you 10 over 10, you get 5 over 10 because it's not actually almost like the radius. So, Favor, now correct what Faith said.
It's like a very small line. Not that small, but a line. Like
very
a small
line.
Like in right or left of the circle. It can be on the right. Like it can be like making it into like almost dividing the whole circle. But it's almost
okay. Yes, I like that.
Now, the end.
Let me put what you said together. What Favor said and what Faith said. Number one, Favor and Faith, don't push her. Favor, don't push her like that again.
She's squeezing me.
I'm feeling myself like this, and you're not pushing me.
You're squeezing me here.
Let's put what you said together. Favor said dividing the circle into two. A line that divides the circle into two equal parts. That is what you feel to say. Okay? So it must be into two equal parts. That is the diameter. And for it to do that, it must pass through the center of the circle. Did you get that? Did you both get that? I can't hear you talk. Favor, you're not saying anything. Did you both get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. Okay, thank you. All right. So the next one, what is a chord? What is a chord? Yes.
A chord is like a small line.
Who can tell me what a chord is?
A chord is like a small line. I don't know a chord.
Thank you very much. Now, that's your definition of small line. Yes. But go ahead now. A small line that does what?
A small line, like very small. But the thing does not divide the circle. Very small.
Go ahead. Small line that does what now?
This small one, it tells us it
does not divide it into two equal parts, but it divides the circle, but not into two equal parts. That's what I wanted to hear. Thank you. It doesn't divide it into two equal parts. That's just the difference. Now let me use a diagram and explain this thing so that you get it better.
They taught us in grade 4 in mathematics that they taught us about circumference, diameter, chord,
can you see my screen?
ARC, and radius.
Yes, I know. That's the more reason why we should not forget it. That's the more reason why we should not forget it. Can you see my screen?
So you decrease your screen.
All right. What is that dot I put in the middle there? What is that dot there?
Sir, we cannot see anything.
Yes. Anybody?
We cannot see anything. Hey, we stop lying. I said the dot. We cannot see it. Do you know the thing?
What is that dot?
Leave me.
In the middle.
Not touch it.
Faith and favor. Can you see?
Yes, sir. The dot in the middle is called.
Hold on. Let me share my screen again. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Coming up. Sir, please, can I take water?
Thank you. Can you see?
I'm thirsty.
Don't worry, I'll go on break. This is the last question we'll do before our break, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. So now I want you to see the line that we call diameter. All right. Please look at
diameter
the screen. Don't be distracted.
To the middle of the circle.
Practice through the middle like this. The line I just drew now. Okay. Next.
Chord.
Let's draw chord.
Chord is like this. Yes. Small.
Isn't it?
Yes. You will not feel it. Some people will feel it. Some people will not feel it in.
Yes. Yes. The next one we're going to do now is arc. Do you remember the arc?
Yes, sir.
Well, so arc is just part of the circumference. So like this.
Yes. It's just the second. It's part of the circumference. You draw that.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. That's arc. Then the final one is what?
Radius. Radius is
what? Half of the diameter.
The circle.
Can you see the radius?
Yeah. The radius, they can give you, the radius can be 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, blah, blah, blah. I don't know.
Okay. Now, I want you to listen to my interesting question. If the radius is 3 cm, that means my diameter is what?
Yeah,
Your diameter is 6 cm.
Thank you. Thank you. Diameter will be 6 cm.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
We check our
Yes.
mathematics result on the and I got 42 over 60.
Over what?
Over 60 in mathematics in examination.
Okay. All right. Not a bad score. But next time okay.
Yeah.
But you can do it. I'm sure. I'm very confident about you guys. People can do it and do more. Okay. So we have 10 minutes to go for break. Eat a snack. Eat a snack. Drink some water. Use the restroom. But please come back at 10:07. Okay.
10:07. We'll do that.
All right. But that's after you write the answer to number 18. Now, the answer to number 18, the longest part here clearly is the circumference. Am I right?
Yes, sir. That's what I was saying. I wanted to say when before you even drew the circumference circle, even before you said number 18, I said no, it's circumference. I know it before.
Circumference is longest. Don't cough. Don't be sick.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me.
Okay.
So before even if so when you were still writing that the circumference is longest, and people left the class.
I'm finished writing now.
Where's the is longest? That's gone to Sokoto or Abia. Satan capital Abia. Adamawa, Yola, Akwa Ibom, Ondo, Anambra, Bauchi, Bayelsa, Yola. So sad. Goodbye.
All right. See you soon. Hello, Flavor. Welcome back.
Thanks.
Flavor, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. I said welcome back. Where is it?
Faith is coming. Faith is coming, sir. Asking me that question.
Thank you.
No, you just say yes. Okay. So, I think people finish their mathematics. change the water for me. Wash it very well. Make sure you shake the cup. Like, shh. Don't pour in it. Put that water. Shake this thing and throw it away and put it on the other one. So this one is dirty, I can see.
People, be careful with that water. Let water not touch the computer.
Yes, sir. Now, did you hear Treasure's question?
What was her question? I didn't hear her question.
She said that she said that have we finished our mathematics class?
Oh, okay. That's an interesting question. So this was my plan, right? If we started by 8, we would have finished by 10. But since we started by 9, it means we're finishing around 11, right? So,
Yes.
and then, that was my plan. My plan was that we would do 8 to 10, take a break, and then, do the coding. But I'll see. I think I'll work out something. Our class today will be, hold on, let me check. After our class, we'll take a break. Like, let me see, about an hour. Let me tell you the time we're going to come back for coding. Okay. Okay. So we'll come back for coding at 12:30. Okay? After our math class. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
So that's when Treasure will join us. But she can just join the background now, but she's not going to stop. Okay, so where is Faith?
Yeah. It's a start.
Yes, Treasure. Is that Treasure?
Yes, sir.
Faith, I can't see you.
Yes, where is that?
Okay, good. All right, I can see you now. Okay, so what number did we stop at?
18. Number 18. Number 18. We stopped at. Size number 18. Size number 18 we stopped at.
Yes, what's that? Favor, you will help us read out the question and read it out gently, especially the fraction part. All right. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Favor, are you ready?
Yes, sir. 19. And I've studied everything when we're still almost a break time. We're almost done. I know 19 answers 20. Oh, so 19 says which of the following fractions is the smallest? 1/3, 5 over 5. 1/5.
Hold on. I said read it out gently. You are rushing. The first one is what? 1 over what?
1/3.
Thank you. The next one is what?
1/5.
1/5. Please. Thank you. I like how they're reading it. Next one.
1/6.
1/6. Thank you. Next.
1/4.
1/4. Next.
1/2. And 1/2.
1/2. Hold on. Next.
That's all.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. And we're looking for the smallest, right?
Yes, sir. The answer is 1/6. Yes, and 1 over
Why
2 is biggest.
I am interested. I'm not saying that you are wrong, go. I am just interested. Why did you say that 1 over 6 is the smallest?
Yes, because it can take like one over 2 can take 2 of it to make 1 whole. So 3, you might take 3 to make a whole. So if 6 is the smallest, 1 over 6 is the smallest, because if we add 1 over 6 plus plus 2, add it plus itself again, it will be a bit closer to 1 whole, but it will not give us 1 whole at that moment.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
We have to
I
times
am
it.
impressed.
We have to
In
plus it
fact,
by 6 times.
for that,
Times.
Favor, you have
That,
gotten back your back the whole. Thank you very much. I agree. 2 times. You have gotten back your mathematician's badge now.
okay, sir.
100%. Okay? That is for Favor. Faith, yeah, you still have to impress me. You have not gotten your mathematician badge yet. Okay. That is a very solid explanation. I love that. I just purposely wanted to hear you. Now, do you know how me I would have explained it? This is how I would have explained it. In fractions, right? When you have the same denominator, the same numerator, right? The same numerator. In this case, the numerator is what? The one on top, which is 1. That the same numerator now helps you to look out for the denominator. Whenever the numerator is the same, then the denominator, the bigger the denominator, the smaller the fraction. Okay, let me say it again. Whenever the numerator is the same, the bigger the denominator, the smaller the fraction. I'm going to write it here so that you write it in your book. I love Favor's idea. I so love it. And I know that Faith, I hope you also know that idea that Favor gave you. Let's assume that you know it. But this one is my own idea. When don't write it yet though, I'm just typing it out first. Whenever the numerator is the same, then the bigger the denominator, the smaller the fraction. Okay, so here we go. Let me pull it up here. Okay, can you still see it on my screen? Let me sketch it like this. Bigger the denominator, the smaller the fraction, and vice versa. It's true. I hope people know the meaning of the phrase vice versa. Some people call it vice versa, but it's vice versa. Okay? Vice
now, what
versa
is vice
so that means
versa?
yes, the opposite. The opposite. The opposite of what I just said now is true. That is, don't worry, I'm patient enough. I'll give you the details. That is, the smaller the denominator, the bigger the fraction. Is that not the opposite of what I just said?
Yes, sir.
The bigger the smaller the fraction. Switch positions, smaller and bigger. The smaller the denominator, the bigger the fraction. It's just like saying the opposite. Okay, that's
The
what vice
opposite of
versa.
light is darkness. Opposite of darkness is light. It's still compared. It's still the same thing.
Thank you.
Treasure.
biscuits. I don't say anything. Treasure. So, okay. So can we write it down in our book? Number 8. Take a book.
Yeah.
Take a book now. Yay! Anyway, Mommy, can I take biscuits?
Sorry about that. Can you see my screen now?
It's coming up, yes.
So what can we safely conclude?
Sir?
Therefore,
1/6 is the smallest.
and which one is the largest?
1/2.
Thank you very much. Let me write it. I purposely left it because typing will not allow me to write 1/6 and also 1/2. Okay. When you're done writing, let me know.
Can you please bring biscuit? I'm hungry. I've not eaten biscuit. That's why your face is like that. What happened? Who gave you that? No.
Okay, so tell me when we can go to number 20.
Okay, sir. What is in the note? I'm almost done with the notes. Who told you that you're only in the notes? Did I say zero?
Okay, so Faith, you have an opportunity to redeem your mathematician title. Number 20, you're the one that will do it. Are you ready for number 20?
Yes. No, sir. Number 20, you might copy it though. Number 20 is the one that also you put in these ones, like 1 to 16 before you this thing. Like say one that did this something is like say 1/8 to like how you wrote 3/4 to decimal. It's same thing as number 20. And I know the answer. I know the answer.
It's not exact.
But it's a different. They are different.
The same. So let me hear. And there was a way you told me that you usually do it, and I told you that way is not the best way. So I want to see if Faith will tell me the way I thought you would have to do it. That's how she will redeem her mathematician title. So can we go to number 20 now?
I want to start eating biscuits.
Faith, are you ready?
Wait now. He's talking to you. He's talking to you. You're supposed to say yes, sir. She's not done now. She's still eating biscuit on top.
He's eating biscuit.
What up? They have not asked you to okay, the question. What's your question?
The question is that when are we going to finish?
You say,
you say before mathematics, coding. When are we going to finish?
Okay, we'll be done with mathematics at 11 o'clock. Okay, then we'll start our coding at 12:30. All right.
Yeah.
We'll do break. You have some break to only bring all your material that you have been looking for. Your pencil, eraser.
This is my materials.
Yeah. Make sure there's space. Write your dates. This. You could come in this book.
You know my bowl that I use. That time that my hand was glued.
So you use it to gum your book. We see.
Mama, that's my pencil.
Can you go and bring my message for me?
Okay.
Bring it. I'm almost done. Bring it.
Okay, are we good?
Yeah.
Are we ready?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah,
Let's go.
don't eat in my ear.
All right. Over to you, Faith. Number 20. Read it and outside.
Let me start calculating it in my head. Express 1/8 as a percentage.
Thank you. How do we do it?
Auntie.
I'm listening.
How to change it to the fraction? This thing is that we change it first to decimal. After we change it to decimal, we will time this thing.
Please have to 10.
We will times it.
That was you people's method, and you know I told you that I don't like that method.
Let's move.
Don't like that method. I told you. There's a faster method. That's how you redeem your money. What's the method I taught people in class? Quickly.
Yes, you taught us in class that. So Favor can remember.
I'm waiting.
Calculate it. Yeah.
Favor, go ahead.
Okay, so we are going to do the same way you did. We write like that long division method, like a long division. You do 8 and do 1. So 8 in 1 is 0. Point. You carry 0.
No. Favor, no. This is what I taught you people in class, and it's surprisingly so simple. I'm wondering why both of you could not remember.
No, sir. No, this is decimal. I'm trying to say it. I'm trying to do it in 1/8 times 100/1. So we'll do. Victor, just looking. Okay, don't knock down and do it like what I do now. Okay. So we're going to do. Look for what can go. 8 can go in 100. Hey. So 2 can do use 4. Calm down.
Now let's try. 8 can go in 100. How many times?
You can use 2 in 8. 2. That will be 4. 4
in 100. Don't be afraid.
Wait, people. So can I see? People is just interrupt. So
Yes.
the answer will be 25 if we use 4. If we use 2, that's our going to be our answer if we use 2.
Favor.
So
Let Faith talk. Yes,
okay.
Faith, over to you. Faith, I'm listening. Over to you.
Who said the answer?
Who told you that she said the answer? Did I say that she said the answer? What is on your mind? Quickly talk.
People said everything I wanted to even know to even say. Everyone.
I didn't hear her. If you think I heard her, I didn't hear her. Please, can you say what is on your mind quickly? Faith, I'm waiting for you. Talk.
He's so acting like a baby.
Leave me alone.
I'll report you to mommy.
Well,
But please don't say anything. I want Faith to talk. Faith, go ahead and
He's asking you to talk.
No, she's sad. Don't mind her. Auntie sad.
Mrs. Sad.
Don't call her that thing. Is it not you? Survival. Then when I wanted to say because of you, give you back your license. Me, you want to give me back. And you know what thing to not give me back my own.
Faith.
Maybe my own is not even correct.
Maybe Favor Zone is not correct.
Leave me alone.
So maybe Favor Zone is not correct.
Leave me alone.
Exactly.
Now you're not going to be correct.
It's not correct at all.
How could you choose? Know that Favor Zone.
I want to ask you one question.
Faith, you have time quickly.
It's supposed to be 22, not 24. It's supposed to be
25. I'm waiting, Faith.
25.
It's supposed to be 24, Mama.
Okay.
You
look like Faith is not ready.
Mama, it's supposed to be 25.
8 in 10 is 1. Okay.
People did not get people.
People did what I wanted to say, and that thing is not good.
Sir, if you don't get it.
Now, Faith, I want you to listen. Faith, are you listening?
There's another way. Can you? No.
There's another way, Ma.
Please, listen up. Listen. Are you listening, Faith? Faith, are you listening to me? Now, in class, okay, 1,000,001 people are thinking whatever it is they are thinking at the same time. And the person to open their mouth and say is the person who they will say is correct. So, for goodness sake, don't allow this thing to affect you. I didn't even say that paper is correct. I asked you what is on your mind. Talk. You're not talking.
Did I say it's free? Did you say it's free?
Leave me.
What did I do now?
You know that Favor is wrong. You're supposed to say 30.
Which 30? 25. No,
You're supposed to say 25. Favor not say 24.
I said 25.
She said 24, Joe. You said 24.
I said 25. How would I say 24? How would I make that error? How do I? Is there something that is simple? Because it's not you that's calculating me, you are not me.
All right, please look at my screen quickly. I need both of you to look at my screen. Let's get done with this. 0.8 is 2. Okay?
Yes.
100 5.
50.
We're not done, no. That's not the final answer. So don't think that that's the final answer.
Yeah.
2 in itself is 1. 2 in 25 is 12 whole number. Also, 12 whole number 1/2. Now that 12 whole number 1/2, we can write it as 12.5. Okay?
Yes.
Favor, can you apologize?
I'm sorry.
Say thanks for me.
Faith, are you? Faith, are you good now?
Say sorry.
I think it was only mathematics and shortcut. Now you have calculated your own.
All right, so Faith, I'll give you another opportunity, all right? Next question, you solve it. So we have 12.5 as the answer to this one.
I have to go to my settings.
And that's because, okay, 12.5 is the answer.
Yeah.
All right.
Sir, can you give us a minute?
Okay. Yes, you asked a question.
Sir, can you give us a minute?
Okay, all right.
You may continue. No, Zoom screen can please.
Check the volume, it's okay.
It's on there. Sir.
Yes, please. Are you done now?
Yes, sir.
Are you good? Okay. All right, Faith. You have another opportunity, okay? Don't allow that what happened back there to affect you. Let me see what number 21 is. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, maybe I'll do number 21 with you guys. Then we'll leave 22 um for Faith to give it a try. Okay. All right. So let's look at 21. Um, 21 says, what is the smallest number that can be divided in exactly 4, 6, or 9? Okay.
Which number?
Let's listen to the question. 21. Can you see number 21?
Yes, sir. Eh? You can hear, but you can
Faith,
hear. But...
can you see number 21, Faith?
No.
From the book. Can you see it in your book?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It says, what is the smallest? I want you to think about that word, the smallest number that can be divided exactly by either 4, 6, or 9. Whenever they ask you that kind of question, then two things should come to your mind. In fact, not even two things. One thing should come to your mind. You see that word smallest. Okay? Smallest. Now, in mathematics, there are two things that we have that usually go together. Lowest common multiple and highest common factor. Okay? But this particular question, okay, is actually asking us for the lowest common multiple. Okay? How do I know? Just look at the question very well.
But they want to see the lowest, not the highest, the lowest.
No, the lowest. And even take note, is the lowest they need. When they say a number, what's the smallest number that can be divided exactly by, okay? Divided exactly. Something to be divided exactly. That means that number will be divided by all those other numbers without a remainder. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
So that's why the answer to this one is lowest common multiple. Okay? Lowest common multiple. So let's see, how do we find the lowest common multiple? Okay, I think this is probably the first question we're answering on lowest common multiple, right?
Yes, sir. But we know lowest common multiple.
Okay, no, okay, all right, let's hear you. What do we do first?
So we're going to do 2.
Draw a line, right?
Yes, sir. Then we'll draw 3 vertical lines.
Okay. Yes, 3 vertical lines. What?
Then you write 2 at the front of 4.
Okay. 2 here. Yes. What do we do next?
2 divided by 4, 2. 2 divided by 6, 3. 2 divided by 9, 9.
Okay. So, Favor, give me a break. Okay. Let's hear from Faith. Faith,
Okay,
go ahead. Finish it up.
Finish.
What's the next step, Faith?
So either we use. Oh my God.
Yes, I'm listening.
So
So 2 into is what? 2 into
Yes.
is in but is it one remain there one. So we will drop it down. And even 2 in 9 is 4 remain there one.
4 remain 1, isn't it? So
Yes,
we drop it down.
it's
Good.
always
Next.
answering questions that you did not access to do. Oopsie. Sorry.
Favor, please. I don't want to repeat myself. Whenever I ask Faith a question, please do your best to be silent, okay? Go
And so
ahead.
when you ask me a question, Faith should be silent. I'm always silent. When you was asking that one that he just asked you that before he asked me, was I not silent? No. The other time that you know.
All right, Faith, go ahead. Go ahead. Faith, go ahead.
So we will use theory.
Mm-hmm.
3 in 1 is 1. 3 in 2 is 1. 3 in 9.
Yes.
3.
3 in 9.
3.
Okay. And then finally,
So people is putting something in their mouth and start chewing it.
wait, don't be distracted. Just focus. What's the next thing we do?
Okay. So we use
We'll use 3 again, right?
yeah.
Okay. And then we have 1. And that's where we end it. So what do we do next?
We'll do
What do we do next?
we'll do 2. So instead of 2 times 2, is it not 3 times 3 is 9, 2 times 2 is 4, 9 times 4 is 36. Oh my God, she doesn't go. She doesn't go. There's small.
Okay. All right. So the LCM will be what? 30. Okay. So write it down. Let's write it down in our book.
Amen. In the name of Jesus. So, one faith has already started praying that shall never we were in lesson, in the middle of lesson. Shall start speaking in tongues. So can I say number 22? No. Everybody, I'm not even finished. You are saying want to start like doing 22. 2x plus 3 equals 11. Stop talking like a baby. I beg. What is I beg? Keep quiet. How to keep quiet? Shut you up. Better shut up. Shh. What up? Yes, I feel that when you see your own baby, that's baby. Okay? What is that? I don't know. What's that? Ah, 2, 1, 2, 1. Let me not see such a man, not your senior. Me too, mine not your senior. You can't tell us. Don't worry, she's shutting God's creation up. God is shut up. Don't worry. I'm not saying you should shut up. It's not you that said nonsense. I beg you. What is I beg? I beg for what? What did I do?
Right.
I finished, sir.
I don't expect you to. Okay, so can we go to number 22? Wait, are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Number 22. 2x plus 3 equals 11. That's the question. If 2x plus 3 equals 11, what number is represented by x?
Yes. So we do
Yes.
5 plus 3. That
Faith
is
want to try.
No. Your favorite trash.
Okay. Just take some. So we are going to do 5 plus 3. That's 8. So we need how many more numbers to get to 11? That is 3. So we'll do 5 plus 3 plus 3. That will be equals to 11.
5.
Eh?
Yes. Where did you get 5 from?
We'll do 2 plus 3. That will be 5. Then we'll do plus 3. That is 8. Plus 3 again. So we're going to use, that will be 6. So we're going to use.
I am about to collect your mathematician badge back. This answer that you just gave me now, yes.
Sir.
Very, very close to doing that. But I'm asking the
Sir, even for one it's 2.5. Eh?
So I think I understand what is happening. So because we have not done questions in algebra, you forgot that the first thing you must do is to collect like terms.
You collect like terms like that. So after you collect like terms, so it will be equals to 11. It will be 2x. 11 minus 3 equals to 2x.
So it has come back to your mind. Now you remember what you're supposed to do.
Oh, thank you, sir.
You are big. What is your phone?
But because they have, you will not forget. But
After then we call.
I don't expect you when we you don't forget. Okay, please don't forget. I'm begging you. So yes, you're correct about the fact that if you go to the other side, and once 3 goes to this side, what does it become?
Minus.
Minus, correct. So
11
2x equals
8.
and 11 minus 3 is what?
8.
Correct. Okay. What do we do next? Faith.
And so after we do like that.
Are you Faith?
2x equals to so we divide everything by 2.
Right, both sides. That's correct.
So 2 and 2 is what? 2 and 8 is 4.
Correct.
This is my chewing gum.
Okay, so our final answer is what?
The final answer is the our final. Which 4? So okay. Let me just
Still not 4.
down.
You want to check if it's correct?
4.
You want to check if it's correct? 2 times 4 is 8, right?
Yeah. Wait. It's times are doing. Yeah. Never know before.
All right, so go ahead and write it down. And please promise me that you will never your life.
Yes, sir.
Never. Never forget it, please.
Thank you for reminding me of it. Sir, would I have opportunity to get my mathematician card? Which card? I'm licensed. Badge. Which license now? Are you be licensed to drive? I'll be licensed.
So you've gotten it. I think what you did for us in number 21 is okay. You did it correctly. So yes, you get your mathematician title back.
So two of us have our mathematician badge.
Yes, you do. All right. So I think that is the last question we have for today.
Okay, sir.
So because of my schedule, right? Let's see. We'll meet. Please don't forget. We'll come back at 12:30. I hope someone will still be.
Are we on break?
Well, you can take it as a break, or just make sure that you get your thing ready. Make sure
Sir, so we're going to do ICT after we finish, after break finish.
Thank you guys solitude.
Yeah? You see?
The ICT you guys solitude school.
Yes, sir.
It's kind of broad, but we could just call ours coding.
You should call our
programming, another name for coding. Yes, let's call it coding. So not only will you people be mathematicians, you could also be programmers or coders. Or let's even get a bigger term for you. Software engineers. You like that?
Yeah, we have our certificate.
You like
no, scratch. Well, we do have for
you have certificate, right?
Yes. They gave us last year. We do have for history.
Yes. Did you do that 1 hour of 1 hour of code? Did you do that? Was that the one they gave you certificate for?
No, because of we designed our Google.
Oh, that's good. So, Faith and Favor, you can leave if you can leave and join back at 12:30. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that you don't keep yourself connected to the internet.
We said to leave and join back. You should leave. Yes, sir. Leave the meeting. Yeah. We'll join back. I should leave the meeting.